So this engine's crap. I had it running. It's not running anymore. Not without life-changing pulls. And now the cable broke. So now I'm going to throw this little Kawasaki on here. It looks like it'll fit. If not, I'll make it fit and then get this thing gone because it's just sitting and taking up space now. So let me get this engine taken off. Try to put that one on. If not, I'll drill some holes to make it fit. And get this thing running and gone. Okay, so got the Kawasaki on. I didn't hook up the throttle yet. I gotta throw some gas in here. From what I remember, I think I might need to take this off again and clean it. Not clean it once, but see how it runs now. So let me see. Ooh, that's promising. All right. That's not. All right. I don't know. I'm just throw some gas in there and just go for it. But yeah. I gotta see where the throttle hooks up actually. Let me just make sure this thing works before I do all that. Alright, we're live. And alright, let me go ahead and hook up this throttle. Take it for a test run and get this thing ready to be sold. I'm gonna take this thing for a test run. Oh, now you don't want to start. Oh, tight fit. Alright, that was pretty good. Wow, this is turning. Oh, that's not good. Oh, they cut the grass. All right, this is great. Trying to rate this ain't that great, but all right. Get her little oil change. Yeah, she's running good. Man, that clutch sucks though. But yeah, it's running pretty good. She is finally done. I don't know why I didn't think about that, but yeah. Engine swapped. Got new. I need it. That's loose. I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil on it and put this thing up for sale. Yeah, one wheel pill, red alert. Finally done. All right, let's get this thing on Marketplace. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Finally got this thing dialed in. Maybe I'll run a kill switch or something. Yeah, finally got this thing dialed in. Kawasaki 4.0. Not really that fast, but I don't care. It's for a kid, so it should be fine. 20 miles an hour, safe. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the video. Nice, short, sweet, quick engine swap. But I had to do a video to show that this is finished. And this engine right here, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll probably just sell it. It runs, but I don't like it. To come say, I ain't messing with y'all no more. All right, thanks for watching. Bacmancave out.